Well, would you look who it is. I'm finally back with another video, you guys. Sorry it's been a while, but you know, life. Update, I changed my hair. I'm going to link the girl that did it in the description below just so you guys can check her out. She is so talented. I'm still surprised that she was able to get there in one session. It's crazy. To get into the makeup routine today, I just wanted to show you guys kind of my everyday makeup. I first went ahead and just applied my e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer, my Algenist eye cream, which are products that have not changed at all. These are things that I've been using in the past as well. Also, the L'Oreal Glotion. I use this in a lot of my videos. I really do like this product. It's just such a good base. Everyone is going for that glowy look right now, and this one is so perfect for that. So I'm just applying it all over my face, and then I blend it out with a brush. I mean, you could just blend it out with your fingers, but I've really been into using my brushes lately, which is kind of new because I really only ever use my beauty blender. After I have applied that, I'm actually not going to be using a foundation. I'm just going to start contouring and highlighting my face. So I'm using the Contour Highlight Stix by Fenty Beauty, and I'm first applying all over where I would normally highlight or conceal, which is underneath my eyes, forehead, bridge of the nose, upper lip, and chin. This is going to look a little crazy, but once we blend it all out, I swear it'll look so much better. After the highlight, as you can tell, I'm going to go ahead and start taking the contour stick. This is going to be my forehead, the hollows of my cheeks, and then the jawline. Also, I contoured my nose a little bit, but it's not something that I do every day. It really just depends. I guess I was just feeling it in this video. But here I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I did, where I highlighted and then where I contoured my face. I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and I'm just going to start blending it all out. Typically I start with the highlighted spots first, and then I will flip the beauty blender over and then I will use that for the spots that are contoured. After I'm done with that, I just took a little bit of the Benefit Hoola bronzer, grabbed a fluffy brush, and I just apply that everywhere that I just contoured. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of blush to my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and then also my temples. It just gives a nice look when you're going for something super natural, almost like sun-kissed, just because your face naturally gets pink. For my brows, I just took a spoolie, I brushed them up, down, and then up again just to make sure I grabbed all the hairs. And I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. It's something that I don't know if I'll ever be able to give up. It's just such an easy product to use, and I just love how you can go so different with it. So easy to make your brows like super dark and sharp, and other ways you can just make them really natural like this. After I'm done filling my brows in, I went ahead and just took a little bit of concealer. I didn't use the Fenty one. I think this one is LA Girl, just because that one is a little harder to blend out when you're doing it in small areas like this. So once I've applied that concealer, I just took a flat blending brush and I started blending that into my skin. Once that's complete, I took the NYX brow gel and I just brushed all my eyebrow hairs up to keep them in place. For my eyelids, I mean, you could just use a eyeshadow primer, but I just took a little bit of that LA Girl concealer and applied it all over my lid. Gives you a nice base for the eyeshadow. Once I am done applying it with the fluffier brush, I just took the same flat brush that I used around my eyebrows and I just made sure it was all blended in and then underneath my eyes as well. After that, I just took a white eyeshadow and I applied that to the underneath the arch of my brow and then also the inner corner for a highlight. And for eyeshadow, I just used the blush that I used on my face. So I feel like with natural looks, if you use the bronzer that you use or even the blush that you use, it just makes it look even more natural. So I applied that to my eyelid, my crease, and then also on my lash line. Now I took I believe this is LA Girl as well. It's just a lipstick. It's a matte lipstick that I had. Applied a little bit of that. It looks nice with the pink eyeshadow and then I just blended it out with my finger. I'm going to be putting on a little bit of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then for my highlight, I'm using this one by Colourpop, which is super fun. Like, look how bright that is. So I apply it with my fingers first, and then I just take a small brush and I blend it into my skin. So I apply that to my cheekbones, to the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, chin, and then also above my brows. This product was pretty easy to blend out with the brush, but in the smaller areas, such as my nose or even above here on my eyebrows, I had to blend it out with my fingers. But once I'm done with that, that completes the look. I know it was a quick video, super easy one too, but I'm sorry I've been a little MIA. I really love you guys though, and I will see you in the next video.